Hello all, Rave Rider here. I am going to shoot off this fountain here. That's another pack from the Red Devil Assortment from TNT. I am not expecting much about this one also. Feels like it's a little bit bigger than a juice box. It's very light, no weight to it. Here's what it does. Emit showers of spark. Only use close supervision, nothing much about that. Safe and Sane, California. Okay. Here's the effects. Yeah. Doesn't look very impressive at all. Pyro fan. Yeah. And glow fuse. Here's the thing about glow fuse. I never once seen it glow in the dark, even though I stuck a flashlight on it and tried to my best to get it glowing, but it never did. Here, let's use this light here, and let me turn off the lights here and see what happens. Okay, so let me take a slide. Okay, here it is. Nothing is glowing. Okay. Anyway, see you guys in the driveway. This is Pyro Fan by TNT. Okay. Let's see this here. Wow, that thing has some height. Okay, that's it. Okay, well, that's a very crappy fountain. Again, it's taken from the Red Devil Assortment, and so far I am not impressed with this assortment so far, but then again, these are the smaller items in the assortment so far, so hopefully the next ones that I'll be shooting off, which are the smaller single shots. I mean, they're a little bigger than the sky shooters that I shot off. But anyways, yeah. So far, not impressed.